So, hey y'all, it's your girl, Presidential Lily, your favorite Lily, and we are back. This is like a super quick and cool video that I wanted to show you guys. This big old box here is holding my very first salon chair, and I'm super excited to be sharing this moment with you guys. I mean, it's been a long time coming, a very, very, very long time coming. I've been doing hair since I was in high school, but outside of high school, probably for like, I've been out of high school for like 6 years, 5 years, 6. I've been out of high school. Heather, how long we been out of high school?
Like 5.5.
Oh shit. Okay, so I've been in high school for 5.5 years, and that's, you know, in high school I feel like it shouldn't be, especially when you have a hair chair, but afterwards I feel like yes, this is something that I want to do. But in college, actually in my dorm hall, we had like a salon, so we had hair chairs, and that's like the only time I actually worked in real salon chairs. But now I have one of my own, and I'm super duper excited about it and just happy. First and foremost, just because the chair that I was using was just like the bar stools that we have in our sitting in our bar. It was 4, but I turned the 4th one into like a hair chair and just spray painted black to make it have like more of a professional feel, just so it can get me to when I was able to get this bad boy here. And since I work on carpet, I really wanted a mat so I wouldn't mess up the carpet in the apartment, so I also got a mat to go along with it, and I'll show you guys that. But you guys are just gonna watch me, and probably Heather as well, set the chair up, and I just really had to share this moment with you guys, so I'm super excited, and why not? So yeah, we're just gonna get into it.
It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away from these beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. Think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away from these beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions that we play. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around.
y'all, Editing Lils here, and I just want to come on the camera because I don't know if you guys actually caught Heather's face in the last clip, but we accidentally screwed those panels in wrong, and while we were screwing in the panels the correct way, we did not realize that the camera was dead, so we didn't catch that. But I want to give you guys the full look of the beauty room with the chair now added in there, and I love it so much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's quick and it's very simple. I just really wanted you guys to be a part of this happy moment with me. So I thank you guys for watching, and I want to give a special thanks to my dad who actually purchased the chair and the mat for me. Thank you so much. He got this for my birthday. So big shout out to my dad for getting this chair for me. Your girl wouldn't feel so bossed up right now if she didn't have this chair. It also really just puts my mind at ease to know that my clients can comfortably sit down now and get their hair done peacefully. That's all I really wanted and was concerned with, and now I can adjust them whenever I want to. But you know, I'm happy and happy with this new addition to my beauty room. There's so much more that I want to do with it, but this right here is just the perfect start. So at the end of the day, I just thank you guys for watching and being a part of this moment with me again, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.
You